Today we're going to replace the light bulbs on a 2014 Toyota Sienna. Alright, all you simply do is just twist and pull out. There it is. I already went ahead and replaced this. So that's the brand new one. After you pull it out, you take it out. To put it back in, all you simply do is put it into its location. And put it in, and then connect the pigtail, or you connect it to the pigtail to the light bulb, and then put the light bulb in, twist it in, and you're set. The light bulbs that this takes are H11s, and I went ahead and installed both of them already. Let's go ahead and give it a try. All right, and there it is. Both of them are working and functional. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.